Welcome to Jamuna Infra Projects Private Limited, a venture of J. Poker Group, your potential partner in the construction business. For over a decade, we have been the leading stone crushing venture in India. In this time, our experience and experiments of 40 years and a state-of-the-art modern technology has given us one more opportunity to serve you with our innovative product, Jamuna Sand. Jamuna Sand by Jamuna is crushed processed sand. It is obtained from crushing the stones extracted from the Nasik region of Maharashtra. Our journey starts with extracting the stones from our own mines. After extracting, the stones are carried to the first phase of the process, to a jaw crusher. Here the stone is crushed into smaller workable sizes and conveyed to the horizontal shaft impact crusher, popularly known as HSI. This makes the stones break further and is conveyed to the next machine, VSI, vertical shaft impact crusher. After these three processes, the stone mined is crushed completely, but still is in larger granules. So it is needed to grade them, which is done by the mechanical scanner, which separates out the product into two grades, 10 mm to 30 mm and smaller than 10 mm. The first grade of larger granules is the aggregate and is ready for dispatch at this stage itself, whereas the smaller grade goes into further processing to form Jamuna Sand. The smaller grade is once again proceeded through VSI, where it gets crushed further. This process of regrinding generates a lot of fine dust. A dust collector collects it all and throws it out of the process. This dust, if settled and mixed with the final product, may prove to be an adulteration. But our process can assure you an adulteration-free Jamuna Sand. But still the product is not free from impurities. So Jamuna Sand has to undergo one more process, a process of removing the soluble impurities, a process of washing. The high-pressure water jets wash the sand thoroughly. This machine does two processes simultaneously, washing and grading. A vibrator-based grader grades the sand into two categories, plus 75 microns to 2.5 millimeters, used as plaster sand, and plus 75 microns to 4.75 millimeters, used as concrete sand. Along with the grading, the vibrator spreads the product into the thinner layers on the washing plate, which enables a thorough washing. Sludge is out and washed graded pure sand is ready for dispatch. At Jamuna, we believe in total quality control, so our processes are fully mechanized. The state-of-the-art hydrocyclone-based Irish sand washing technology of CDE, a leading name in the global market, has aided Jamuna in producing controlled ultra-fines in both concrete as well as plaster sands. All these processes and equipment are centrally controlled through our centralized electric panel room. Our highly skilled and experienced engineers, supervisors and foremen constantly keep eye on the processes and product to ensure a best and constant uniform quality. The separately graded concrete and plaster sand is dispatched either through open dumpers or is packed in fresh gunny bags as per the requirement and the usage. After filling a dumper, a labour levels the heap to the edge of the carrier under the supervision of the senior to avoid any loss of the material by overspilling during transit. Also, each dumper is made to pass through the weigh bridge and is issued an official weigh note by Jamuna before leaving the premises. Each gunny bag is weighed and stamped before dispatching. All this to ensure that we deliver what we promise. But at Jamuna, our responsibility is not over here. We believe in green footprints. So while the Jamuna Sand is on its way, we recycle the water used in the washing process, which will be used for further productions. Now, when Jamuna Sand is at your site, you can easily evaluate the differences. Not only for plaster has Jamuna Sand played an effective role in mixing the concrete by saving the cement and the water. The evenly crushed molecules and consistent gradation save the costs of the construction by minimizing the wastage of the material by impact rebound at applying, and also while using planer on the plasters and contribute to the better finishing to the plaster. Also, the contaminations like bone and ash residual in the river sand affects the bonding capacity of the plaster mix. And certainly, no one will like to have residual elements like these in their vastu. It is also scientifically proved that the evenly crushed spherical molecules have good adhesive strength than unevenly crushed random-shaped molecules from the riverbed, giving better bonding to the plaster mix and strength to the plaster. A good finishing and quality of interiors can happen only with smoothly finished walls and evenly applied plasters. A scientifically manufactured Jamuna Sand is available for your projects round the year at constant prices, giving you a cutting edge over the competitors. Our facilities at Sarul and Siner Mohu in Nasik collectively produce up to 300 TPH, ensuring you a regular supply. In all, Jamuna Sand is a genuine construction partner available round the year for all your quality projects. Come, shape your project by using the best quality sand products by J. Poker's Jamuna INFRAPROJECTS Private Limited. Jamuna Sand, a name you can build on.